Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Hi friends, welcome again to my channel Why We Know. Today I will show you how to compare the size of your apps so you can install more apps. So open Play Store and type never uninstall app. Link is in description. So open it. Scan and give accessibility permission. Now compares the apps you don't use anymore. But you will use the data of the apps you have compared, so be careful. So you will use the app data, boost memory and compares the apps you want to compare. Click watch ad to compares. I have fast forwarded my video. So apps are compared. Any space is saved. See, a folder of compared app is made. Here you will see all the compared apps. To use them you have to uncompress them. It may also take a while. So now you can use it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.